Western Red Cedar, also known as Thuja Plicata, is a tall and elegant tree native to the Pacific Northwest of North America. It is highly valued for its durable and fragrant wood, as well as its aesthetic beauty. Growing Western Red Cedar from seed is a rewarding and relatively easy process. Collecting seeds. The first step in growing Western Red Cedar from seed is to collect the seeds. Western Red Cedar produces cones that mature in the fall, usually in September or October. The cones are small, about ½ inch in diameter, and contain small seeds. Harvest the cones when they are fully mature and dry. You can do this by gently shaking the cones to release the seeds, or by prying them open with your fingers. Preparing the seeds. Once you have collected the Western Red Cedar seeds, you will need to prepare them for planting. The seeds are covered in a hard, woody coating that needs to be removed to allow for germination. To do this, soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. Then, place them in a plastic bag with some damp sand and store them in the refrigerator for about 2 months. This process is known as stratification and it simulates winter conditions, which helps to break down the seed coating. Planting the seeds. After the stratification period is over, it is time to plant the Western Red Cedar seeds. Choose a well-drained spot with full sun or partial shade. Dig a small hole, about ½ inch deep, and place one seed in each hole. Cover the seeds with soil and gently tamp down the soil to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Watering and fertilizing. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water the seeds regularly, especially during dry periods. Avoid overwatering, as this can cause the seeds to rot. Once the seeds have germinated and have grown to about 4 inches tall, you can start fertilizing them. Use a balanced fertilizer, such as a 10-10-10 blend, and apply it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Transplanting. After about a year, the Western Red Cedar seedlings should be ready to transplant. Choose a spot with well-drained soil and partial shade. Dig a hole that is about twice the size of the root ball and carefully remove the seedling from its container. Place the seedling in the hole and backfill with soil. Water the seedling thoroughly and continue to water it regularly until it is established. In conclusion, growing Western Red Cedar from seed is a rewarding process that can result in a beautiful and long-lived tree. With proper preparation and care, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of Western Red Cedar in your own backyard.